Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northwest on Red Hills Road towards Rock Hall, St. Andrew Parish. Entering Rock Hall. On the left is Cedar Grove, which will take you into Waugh Community. On the left is Rock Hall Seventh-day Adventist Church. The road on the left will take you into Burkewood Community. On the right is Rock Hall Primary School, and to the left you can find Rock Hall Postal Agency and Rock Hall Health Center. To the left you can find Rock Hall Football Field, and the road on the right is the Parks Road to Rock Hall Road. That road will take you to the other section of Rock Hall, to Parks Road, Above Rocks, Allman Hill, Cavaliers and other places. We are now driving on Sligoville Road. On the left is Faith Deliverance Church of God. Entering St. Catherine Parish. Approximately here is the St. Andrew and St. Catherine Parish border. So we have left St. Andrew Parish and we are now driving in St. Catherine Parish. Entering Waugh Hill. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.